Hi guys, on this video I'm going to show you how I got this eye makeup look. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Shadow Couture palette. If you want to see, then keep watching. The first shade I'm going to use from this palette is Soft Peach. I'm going to place Soft Peach on my entire eyelid and I'm using my Sigma E40. By the way, my eyebrows and my eyelids were already done before I placed Soft Peach on my eyelid. On my crease, I'm going to be placing Fudge with my Morphe M433 brush. I'm going to be creating a very light cut crease with Fudge. I don't want it to be too strong, but I still want it to look sort of like a cut crease. So just blend this eyeshadow well because Fudge is an intense eyeshadow, which I love, but I want it to be light for today. Here I'm going to be taking Spoiled on my Sigma E55 brush. I did spray the brush with Fix Plus because I wanted it to be a little more intense. But anyways, I placed the eyeshadow Spoiled on my mobile lid and blended that into the Fudge eyeshadow. Now for the start of the show, I'm using Azure, which is the shade I've been dying to use. I'm going to use it as my eyeliner today. So I took this Seta eyeliner brush, which I received in a BoxyCharm box a few months ago. Anyways, I'm going to dip this brush into Fix Plus and then onto the eyeshadow and create my eyeliner for today. And yeah, one reason I'm using this is because I've been dying to use this eyeshadow, and the second reason is because I don't own any blue gel or liquid eyeliners. I only have pencils, and I stink at putting eyeliner with a pencil unless it's smudged. If it's smudged, yay, I rock. If I have to do a perfect line, yeah, no, that doesn't happen for me. I need a whole lot of more practice for that. But anyways, I really liked using this eyeshadow as my eyeliner and it looks beautiful. I don't know if you guys like it, but for whatever reason, I'm loving this blue as an eyeliner. With my Makeup Geek pointed crease brush, I'm going to buff that blue under my lash line. I'm also going to be using a little bit of that Soft Peach under my lash line just to blend that out nicely. For mascara, I'm using my Estee Lauder Sumptuous Mascara. I am so in love with this mascara. It's the bomb. And for my eyeliner, I'm going to be using my Lord & Berry black eyeliner, which is super, super creamy. I got this in the last BoxyCharm. I'm really loving this pencil. And I did wear lashes today. I used my Kiss Sultry lashes, which the number I believe is KFL04. And I'm going to highlight my inner corner with pink champagne. I used the pencil brush E30 from Sigma. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you like it. I loved it. I'm feeling the blue eyeshadow right now. By the way, on the lips, I have Wet n Wild's Bare It All. So thank you for watching. Subscribe and share the video. And until next time, hugs and kisses. Bye.